Hey guys, it's Will here, and welcome back to another video. Today, I just hit 20 subscribers, so I'm going to be doing the unboxing of the 20 subscriber play button. So, here we go. Ooh, I like this color. It's a really nice color. Congrats on surpassing 20 subscribers, Will M. I actually really like the color of this play button. And it's got a note. That's just your standard YouTube note. I'm not even going to read it. But yeah, here's my new play button. I'm going to put it... Let me lay the camera down real quick. Okay, so this is just going to be sitting right here for now. So yeah, it's just going to be kind of behind the Coca-Cola magnet, just sitting there for a little bit. The reason why I took all mine down is just because all the other ones, like my 3 subscriber and my 5 and my 10, it's just because, excuse me, it's just because it makes it a whole lot less like clean up here, so, and I wanted to go for a clean look when I was like rearranging all up here. But anyways, so that's all. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash that like button. And if you're new, subscribe, and also